In part 3, let's talk about a manual inventory of assets. In the last video, we discussed how difficult it is to build a comprehensive inventory. What we see is a lot of teams are trying to take a manual effort to extracting the data from each one of those data silos that we just talked about. You see people going into Active Directory, their endpoint security, their patch management, their network monitors, all of which they try to pull in Excel or CSV spreadsheets to manually pull this together. Trying to do this manually is untenable and unsustainable. Plus, it can take hours, days, even weeks to try to pull this information together. Additionally, departments also have access to different information from these particular tools and assets and may not pull that data down consistently. Plus, introducing a manual process is also human error prone because trying to pull together all of these spreadsheets or databases is inevitably going to bring inconsistencies, omissions, or elements that are going to miss out on the assets that you really need to know about. Lastly, our environments are incredibly dynamic. There's people coming and going, devices on the network, off the network. There's new elements that are automatically attaching to the network that one doesn't even know about. And because of this, taking an inventory manually is just a snapshot in time. By the time it gets reconciled, it's already out of date, already inaccurate. Clearly, we just described that a manual process is not going to work. Oftentimes, we see teams trying to automate this on their own. We'll take a look at that in the next session.